Hey everyone, so I am wanting to do some type of outer space galaxy, I don't know, kind of painting. And I have a lot of different paints. So I did this a little differently than I usually do. I have a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I have all these paints over here, I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're just mixtures of these paints right here. So right here I've got light green Master's Touch, and I've got Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, I've got Artist Loft Violet, Artist Loft Mars Black, and I've got Apple Barrel Laguna and Apple Barrel Bright Magenta. So I'm taking all these off because they're kind of weighing on the canvas and I don't want to mess it up. So I'll say I've got, with the greens, I've got just pure the green and then I've got green with a little bit of white in it. I did the same thing. Nope, I didn't. I've got 2 cups of the Brilliant Blue mixed with Mars Black, and then I've got a cup and a half or a cup and 3/4 or 2/3 of just Mars Black. So I'm going to start with the dark backgrounds and then I'm going to splash some color in it. I am going to use my blow dryer to move things around and we're going to see what comes out of it. The only white I'm going to use is just this little bit of white, and I want to do that, so do some highlighting with that at the end. So I'm going to prep my sides and I'm just going to have some fun with it. As I'm using the blow dryer, I always have fun with the blow dryer. So I just don't want to overwork it. I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible with just spurts of color. All right, let's see what we get. All right. This is where I'm at. I freaking love this, and I feel like I want to do more, but I know myself, and I know that I will mess it all up if I do that. So I just consulted with the great almighty and very smart child of mine who reiterated that I should stop right now. So I am going to stop right now. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer because there's so many cool things. I hope that you can see some of the differences in the black and the dark blues and everything. Oh, I'm gonna bring y'all in closer for a closer look right now. Once it starts really drying, I will bring you guys in again. But I freaking love this. All right, I think that this is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So I am going to bring you guys in closer for a look before it dries. Okay guys, that's it for now. I will let it dry. I'm going to put a varnish over the top and then I'll take a picture of it dried on the wall.